Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Kaggle Datasets easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Kaggle Datasets, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Kaggle website at www.kaggle.com. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required fields with your personal information. You can register using your email or a Google account. If you choose to register with email, create a username and password. After filling in the details, click the Join Kaggle button. Once your account is created, check your email for a verification message. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the Kaggle website and log in with your new credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Datasets section found on the top menu. You can search for specific datasets using the search bar. Explore the available datasets by browsing through categories. To download a dataset, click on its title to open the dataset page. Review the description, files, and kernels associated with the dataset. If you want to proceed, click the Download button on the dataset page. The dataset will be downloaded in a compressed format, usually as a zip file. Extract the contents of the zip file to access the dataset files. Now you are ready to start working with the dataset you've downloaded. Feel free to explore and engage with additional datasets on Kaggle to enhance your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.